from monsoon winds, but these areas receives average rain in between 100 to 200 centimeter per annum. Okay, then the average width of Eastern Ghat is 100 to 200 kilometer. Here we can say the Eastern Ghats are broad and Western Ghats are narrower. Mahendragiri is the highest peak in the Eastern Ghat. This is the highest peak in Eastern Ghat, and the elevation of this peak is 1501 meter. Then local name, this is also known by different local names like Chevroy, like Javadi Hills, and Pachmalai Hills. Okay, so these are some local hills, or these Eastern Ghats are known locally in different states. No major river originates from Eastern Ghats. Yes, Eastern Ghats are not the place of origin for any river. No river is originate from these Eastern Ghats, and Eastern Ghats are also occupied by the moist deciduous forest. Moist deciduous because of the less rainfall. Okay, so that is why here we find the vegetation type is moist deciduous, and that all delta regions are occupied by the mangrove forest. So here we find two types of forest, moist deciduous forest and the slopes, eastern slopes of these ghats are occupied by the mangrove forest, as number of rivers form delta along their formed deltas when these rivers drain their water into Bay of Bengal. So now we will see the map over here. Yes beta, these are the Eastern Ghats. These Eastern Ghats stretch from Mahanadi to Nilgiri. Beta, and Mahanadi originate from central highlands, and it flow through Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Odisha, and in Odisha this drains its water, and there is a delta formed by this river, Mahanadi Delta. So these Eastern Ghats stretch from Mahanadi to Nilgiri Hills in south. So this is the total stretch. Now when we talk about width, so width, these are, you can see here, the width of these ghats are 100 to 200 kilometer, okay, on an average. Elevation, when we talk about elevation, so they are lower in height. Average height of these Eastern Ghats or mountain range is 600 meter from north to south, and from north to south they are having same elevation. Okay, only Mahendragiri is located in Odisha. That is the highest peak along with this Eastern Ghat, having the height of 1501 meter, and these are known with the different names like Chevroy, like Javadi, like Pachmalai. Number of local names are given in these ghats are known with local names in different states from north to south. Okay, now they are they lie parallel to the eastern coastline. This is the eastern coastline, and they lie parallel to this eastern coastline, and beta, these are discontinuous mountain ranges. Okay, so because the rivers which flow through this region, they are having their courses like this, their direction like this, and they form number of delta when they drains their water into Bay of Bengal. Like Mahanadi drains its water into Bay of Bengal, and Odisha it formed Mahanadi Delta. In Andhra Pradesh, two rivers form their delta. One is Godavari River, and very close to Godavari River there is the Krishna River also forms its delta, and another major river of South India, that is Kaveri, that also forms its delta near the coast of Tamil Nadu. So in this way number of deltas are formed by the rivers drain through this region, and that is why these mountain ranges are dissected or discontinuous in their location. Okay, so these are some different features of the Eastern Ghats. And beta, this is very important, basically asked in distinguished form. Now next we will the another distinct feature of or another part of the Deccan Plateau is known as Deccan Trap. ट्रैप बेटा का मतलब आपको पता है एक जाल और एक एरिया, ठीक है. सो दिस इज डेक्कन ट्रैप. दिस एरिया इज नोन एज डेक्कन ट्रैप. हियर इन मैप दिस यू कैन सी this gray one. This is the whole Deccan Trap because it is made up of volcanic rock or lava rock and is rich in black soil. ठीक है.